On your homepage you have the option to open already created projects by selecting and pressing the Open Project button. You can duplicate an existing project by clicking the icon with the two papers. To do so, simply select the desired project to be copied. Click on the X to delete a selected project. Next to the Open button there is a plus button. This serves to create a new project. The project is initially created with a default name New Project. To change this name, first open the project. Then select Project beneath Hierarchy on the left. On the right side you have the option to change the name of your project. Do you have further questions about the extensive functions of the VuppetMaster? Check out our other tutorials or drop me a line with your questions and suggestions.